Hey, thanks for stopping by my channel. My name is Beach Troll. Today's video, I'm just gonna tell you what I do personally as far as keeping maintenance records for my vehicles. What I do in every one of my vehicles, I have a small notepad that I keep in the glove compartment. And whenever I do any work on that specific car, I write down in my notebook the date, the repair I did, or if I had to bring it to a shop for some reason, and also the mileage when that work was done. It does help because especially if you have more than one car, trying to keep track of which repair you did to which vehicle can get a little confusing sometimes, so it does help to use this little notepad. What I also do is I have folders for each of my vehicles, and if I order a part online that I'm doing the repair myself, I put that receipt into my folder for that specific car. Or if I brought the car to a shop for some reason, I put that receipt in the folder for that specific car. And it just helps to keep track of everything that you're doing on your vehicles. That was just a quick tip. I hope it helped you out. If you wouldn't mind, click like and subscribe. That would help me out a long way. I thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next video.